let's try a dirty chai,
which is basically chai mixed with espresso. My taste buds are confused. It's ruining chai and it's ruining an espresso. To me, when you combine the two, it's like, what do you want? What are you looking for? Just have one or the other. I don't know who came up with this idea, and all I did was basically make masala chai as you would. I don't drink coffee, so I went to Timmy's and got me some espresso. I just dumped it in at the end. It's not living well in my taste buds. Like, there's a war going on right now with chai and espresso. They're butting heads. It's not a good fusion. For a split second, it's a bit of chai, and then there's just a lot of espresso, and then I'm trying to think, is that really an espresso? There's a lot of milk, so maybe it's chai. It's a lot of confusion right now. I'm not much of a coffee drinker. Maybe I'll have an espresso after a good meal, but other than that, I'm more of a chai guy. And I guess the play is that chai is supposed to be nice and pure, and then you make it dirty by adding in the coffee, espresso. If you want chai, just go have some chai. If you want an espresso, have an espresso. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this. If you guys like your dirty chais, by all means have it, but it's not for me.